One prophet don't come outside, they reveal to us, say, the major problem wey we get inside Nigerians, say na Christians and pastors na dey cause am. The person wey talk this one, him name na Prophet Israel Oladele of the Celestial Church of Christ. This one na Global Genesis. And this man dey talk, say wetin make am dey talk this one na because of say wetin? Say most Christians dey sabi brag, especially pastors. You go see them dey form gra on top of nothing. And say if you look, say most of our Muslim brothers, they always dey very reserved. Say e go dey very hard for you to see a Muslim brother wey get money dey show himself. But any small Christian wey e go don see am, e don dey brag. I bought this watch for 1 million. He do this one. My people abeg, make una follow me watch.
Christians, can I tell you one thing? You are the major problem of this country. We are blabbing that Muslims are more than us. Show me the Christian bank that we have. And you go to Muslim bank, they will collect loan without interest, even 2%. You think God is a fool? What are you blabbing for? Shame unto many Christians. Hardly will you see alphas that are rich bragging with money. But you will see Christian pastor, look at my shoe, look at my 1 billion. Any pastor preaching against Islam is demonic. Number 2, they are marketers. Number 3, they are the major reasons why we have problems in the country. The Bible says, be your brother's keeper. It didn't say be your Muslim brother's keeper. It didn't say be your Christian brother's keeper. What is the essence? Tell me the reason, purpose for the segregation.
Small truths dey inside wetin this guy talk. Because if na reason am well, this guy no even lie at all. In fact, now me I even know say if you go borrow money from Muslim bank, you no go pay interest. But make una watch all this bank wey be say our Christian leaders they carry, where they rule. Any small money we want, they go don carry like 10% in separate on top. But see these ones now, they do them out of say they want do humanitarian service. Now what make them these people know they common money? And this one, everything where this man talking, I know see some people go the reason I say this one about religion. But no, somehow. No be say this guy they try support Muslims. Oh, he get something where he see. Now what make him come out and come talk this one. And he talk say any pastor where they talk bad against Muslims, say in fact the person they very very demonic. And say in fact these people now marketing and they do. Because say what now the same God all of us they serve. So why be say person go come outside, they talk bad, say this one do this one, say Muslim this one no good. Say because now the same God. So why be say person go come they change and say I know be the same God all of us they serve. And make we no lie, these current pastors what we get now, it be like say all of them, so until they worry them. It be like say they no be real pastors. Because now because of the financial gain, now most of them they do go into pastor. Some you go here say pastor don't buy jet, pastor don't buy this one, in which their so-called members to even chop they no get, house to live they no even get, but this pastor they go they live in fame. And people when they follow these people say sometimes now because of miracle, not be saying now because of anything, ordinary miracle where they go get. Now what you may go they follow these people. But I hope say this pastor say if you they talk them out with your true mind. Because we said in order to take, they carry you go jail because say you chop person money. But make we believe say you don't change. Say God don't touch your life. Now wetin make you come outside now they talk this one. And this one in don't shake tables for the Christian brothers and pastors wey dey outside. Because this one are just clear message. Make una dey humble. You as a pastor no they do gra. Even if you buy this, that money where even you stay waste, don't buy this. Use and give your congregations. People where they hungry because they will need and pass you. So this one, now clear message in those brings make I can't give one now. My people are here this one as make I bring and come make na service na ear. Here wait till they happen. If na get anything to talk about make na don't forget to write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.